How to resolve shipping label printing problems with ShipBob and Huboo. Follow the instructions. Ensure printer is compatible and correctly connected via USB or network. Set label size to 4 × 6 inches in both printer and ShipBob Huboo account settings. Use Chrome browser and disable all ad or pop-up blockers before printing. Download the label file and open with Adobe Reader instead of browser preview. Check print settings to use actual size or 100% scale, not fit to page. Update printer drivers and firmware to ensure smooth label printing function. Test with another label or printer to rule out hardware-specific issues. Contact ShipBob Huboo support with order ID and screenshots of the error.
Thanks for watching.